Right, let's try again. Right, this is a robot. I've taken it to bits. Seeing how far I can actually disassemble it and extend wires and keep it still working. So I can use some of the motors and servos. I mean, there's K9's here. Oh, for some reason it's moving on its own. At the moment, which is quite good. But I can do it via remote. It's probably because I'm moving a wire or something. But you see there, look. So I'm hoping I can fit that in the head. Both of them is 2. I've taken them to pieces. It seems to have a bit of a mind of its own at the minute, which ain't too bad. It's not. There you go. Let's see what happens when I get the head. See if I can extend all these cables. Probably fall down in a minute. Here we go. Just an idea.